Hello, today we're gonna tweak this keyboard with the help of this little chip. So when I got this keyboard, I didn't realize there were two versions, and I got the version that had AAA batteries instead of the rechargeable battery. So I found out online that you can actually modify it yourself. All you need is this little chip. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for it on AliExpress, or you can just find it yourself. And this little battery that I had around, but you can use any old phone lithium battery that you have laying around. It's actually pretty easy. Just unscrew these 4 screws and just pop it open. So if you want the technical electricity stuff, you can watch it on the original video of the guy. I'm gonna leave it in the description for you to see, but I'm just gonna do exactly what he did without really testing because it's the same board. So this is it, and this is where we're gonna do some soldering, the positive and the negative, with the positive and the negative in the board, which is pretty simple. First of all, I'm just gonna solder a red wire on the positive side and then a black one in the negative side on top of the actual negative one. Just like you're saying. So we need 2 black wires and 2 red wires. And just connect the positive and negative together. And here I'm just testing it to see if it works. And then it worked. Then I just had to stick this one on the board so it does not move. So I just used hot glue gun. The hot glue from the glue gun. And tested if it's strong enough, and yeah, it does not fall apart. And then I'm just gonna see where to cut the little cutout for the USB. I just used a kitchen knife, pretty easy. And then put the wires of the battery through so we can connect them with the board, and just like that. As you can see, if you want to redo it, just do it like this, but if you want to know how, you can watch the original video. Don't mind my awesome soldering technique. This is it. So this is pretty much it, and now I'm just gonna see if it works, if it turns on, and it did. Now I'm just gonna put it back together, make sure all the buttons are in place, and do a little cable managing. I ended up putting all these wires inside back because they were too long. I'll show you. But first, there's a little trick if you didn't know. If you keep pressing the function key and F2 button, you can change colors. But if you keep pressing on the function key and swipe through the trackpad, you can actually see the whole spectrum of colors, which is pretty cool, I think. Yeah, this is how the port looks, and the battery. I actually ended up taping it too, just for it to not fall, and it looks a little neater. And when you charge it, you can actually see the red lights on the board through the crack of the remote, which is pretty cool. And when the light is blue, the battery is fully charged. And this is it. It's pretty easy DIY. You can do it yourself. It's pretty cheap and better than changing the batteries all the time. So thank you for watching. Bye.